Hello people, so today I'm going to show you how to do a VHS glitch, or let me just say a glitch effect. I'm going to show you how to turn this picture to this while we wait. So first of fucking all, what we need to we have all we need for this picture. Okay, here we are. So what I'm going to do now is, first of all, I'm going to drop what I call scan lines, which I downloaded. I'm going to leave this link to the download. In the folder, when you download it, you extract it. There are like 4 of them, which you can use for different things, but I'm going to use this one. Yes, this one here for this video. So you drop, so zoom, take it out, make sure you press enter, then you click it again and press Ctrl J, and now you go back, drag it down, and okay, then hold shift and click the second one and press Ctrl E, that is to merge. Ctrl E, that is to merge, you can see. So we're going to change our blending option to overlay. As you can see, we are getting that look we are looking for. Overlay. And what else? We're going to use what it's called curve. Click curves. Now you put one dot here, one here, one here. For most of you that do photography, you know this. So we're going to drag this a little bit down to make it dark and make that pop. It's not dark enough. Okay. To give it more like a more dark, make it darker, press Ctrl J. On the copy, come to filter, camera raw filter, wait for that to load. My laptop so today it's not really fast. So you come to FX. Camera raw is still like the same thing as Lightroom, just in Photoshop. So you come to vignette. Now you take amount, drag it down to -100, increase the midpoint. Now the feather, take it a little bit where it's almost like it's blending, like it's like you know what I mean. Increase the highlights and roundness a little, just a little. You can also come here and adjust the shadows, but I'm not going to do that. I'll just drag blacks and okay. And now we have this. You can take away the curves. If these are 2 methods, you can do with the curve or camera raw. So I'm just going to walk along with my camera raw, edit, and press OK. So after this, now I'm going to make 2 copies. Just Ctrl J, or let's just do it like this. So on the second copy, change the name to red. Now you come to your effects, right click, add layer style. Okay, select the picture, click effects, blending options. Okay, now click red. This is our RGB sound, so red, green, and blue. Click red and press OK. Now you won't see the effect of this. For now, I'm going to turn off my scan line. I'm going to show you something. So you click on red and you drag it to the left. You can see the glitch. You can see it right now. So what I'm going to do is this, stick to the left a little, turn on my scan lines, and voila, I have the glitch. But what's a glitch without it actually glitching? This is also an RGB split. To make it more interesting, I'm going to make another copy of this background layer, Ctrl J, and I'm going to change this one to green. You can leave it on, you can use red only, green, or I'm going to use red only, but I'm just showing you how this works. So I click FX again, still has some bugs on this Photoshop, there's some bugs here. Blending options, click green and OK. Turn off the scan line, turn off this layer, and maybe drag this to the right and turn this on. Now you see, and see that glitch effect. And we do this one more time. Change this to what? Blue. So blending options, click the blue, we do that again, off, drag the blue, and we turn them on. Now we select these three and put them in the folder, and we just rename it, make it image, enter, and press Ctrl J, make a copy, Ctrl J, Ctrl E to merge. Leave the copy because we are still going to use it. Then take picture of the original, put it below the copied one, and now this is how we do the glitch. Now on your glitched image, depends on how you want to do that. Many ways. I'm going to show you one way, one I use. Now you draw, use the marquee tool, you hold control on the image, be careful, that's why I turned off my scan line. Drag this, take this,
to be random, so it will look nice and so. I'm just going down. You can also do this for text.
So when you turn on, voila, we have a glitched picture. It doesn't look like the one I made before. This is just like a quick tutorial, and this is from my first video on YouTube. So pretty much you have everything. What you need to do is file, save as JPEG, and you're done. And thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Subscribe, share with your friends. If you loved this video, share with other people and tell them to like.
So even now, can't you see I'm falling in love?